It's Creative Crafts here, and I'm Kat. Welcome to my channel. And this video is going to be in several parts. We're going to be renovating my kitchen. As you can see, it's all red and white. The walls also are red and white. Turn it around and show you here, those here. So I'm going to be renovating this whole kitchen by myself, with a little help from my son and husband when it comes to heavy stuff. Want to know exactly what I'm doing? You need to watch further. Well, the first thing you need to do, of course, when you're renovating is you need to get rid of all the essentials that are in the way. Like, I'm going to be taking down these curtains and covering up some holes that are in the wall, as you can see where the white line is on that wall. That's where a shelf used to be, so I'm going to be covering those holes up and taking all the, plug outlets off and some things that are going to be in the way, or cover them if you have to. So let me do all that and then I will get back to you. So now that I cleaned this all up, I filled up the holes here, and now I will take tape and tape areas where I don't want the paint. Hi everybody, this is my kitchen now that I just finished painting the wall. This is just one side. I started decorating, as you can see. I'm not done yet. I'm still need to finish this side up. But before I do that, I have to do this side, which I'm doing all the closets and everything, painting it, doing the backsplash and changing that. I'm changing the closets, but I'm doing it all by myself. So, update coming soon.